Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will do the part modeling with the help of part design workbench. As you can see that I have already converted this 2D drawing into the 3D model with the help of part design workbench, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this very simple part in FreeCAD. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. So I will close this file and I will create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So first I will create a new file and insert a new body, and here I have activated the part design workbench. Now the first thing which we will do is select the top plane and we will create this base profile. So I will on the origin plane and I will select this XY plane and click on the sketch and press the origin with a space bar to hide it. Origin planes. Now I will create a simple rectangle and I will make it symmetric with a symmetricity constraint. Select this point and this axis and give the dimension to this line of 82 and vertical 38, which we can see here, 82 by 38. Now we will close the sketch and create a pad of 10 mm. Click on OK, and now we will create this back profile. So first we will switch to the isometric and we will select this back face and click on the sketch, and we will project this edge and we will create a circle and give it a diameter of 38, and from the center it is 58, so we will select this one and this point and avoid the vertical dimension of 58, and now I will create a line here and draw the line, and then I will add the tangency. Select and add the tangency. Click on coincidence. Click on coincidence and now click on the trim. Now we will close the sketch and create a pad of 10 mm. Click on the pad, click on the reverse, and here is a 10 mm, and now click on this pad and set refine true. So this is merge, and now we will select this face and create a sketch, and now we will select project geometry and project this, create a circle, and now create a pad of 2 mm. Close it, create the pad and give the 2 mm. Click on OK, and from here say refine is true. And next feature which we will create is we will create this hole. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry, and create a circle and give the diameter of 22. Click on OK, click on the cut, click on through all, say OK, and now we will select geometry. We will on the origin plane and we will create a rib. So for this we will select this mid plane and click on the sketch of the origin plane, and we will project this geometry. Click on project geometry, click on this edge, and switch to the wireframe and create a triangular profile on the projected geometry and give the angle of a 45 between this and this, and come out of the sketch. And now this rib of the 10 mm, so we will click on the pad, click here symmetric to the plane, click on OK. Now we will give the fillet of 14 mm, which we can see here. So we will select these two edges and give the fillet of 14 mm, click on OK. And next feature is to create this counter bore hole. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project these two edges. Click on project, click on the circle, and now we will give this sketch is a diameter of 10, so we will select it and give it a 10, and we will select this and this and make it equal. We will close it, and now we will use the hole feature, and from the type here we will select the counter bore. So diameter is a 10 and this bigger diameter is a 20, and depth is of 2 mm. So this is how we have created the counter bore holes in FreeCAD. Click on OK. So this is how we have created this 3D model with the help of this 2D drawing. And here if you wanted to apply the material, you can go to the appearances and here you can apply the material. Let's say I apply the chrome, click on close, and if you want to give the color to your part, then again go to the appearances and here click on the shape colors. Let's select this color. So this is how we have exactly created this model in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. And this tutorial is for beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD, and FreeCAD having the equal potential as other 3D softwares have. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.